Hello and welcome to Uncle George Barbecue. Today I'm going to teach you how to replace your fire pot. So this is what you do. First we're going to remove those 4 screws. Sometimes these screws are so old, after all the fire they start breaking. Make sure you vacuum the grill before doing this. Now, a lot of people don't know what to do here, so all you have to do is push forward, twist, and then remove. Okay, now we're going to remove that screw. This is the igniter, which is working good. This one's rusted, it's old. I'm gonna put a new one. So here's our new fire pot. First thing, you want it like that distance. We're gonna put it back. Now I can use the same screws, but these screws have been there for 10 years. So actually I want to put better screws, bigger. Always make sure you use stainless or real metal. Don't use zinc. Okay, it's a little bit bigger, but they will do the job. Align it. Okay, it's done, like new. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.